Hey everyone, it's me Ayushi. Welcome back to my channel. People who are new to my channel, welcome guys. And if you like my content, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And the people who already subscribed my channel, thank you so much guys. So today I'm thought to creating some own customized fridge magnet. You don't know guys how I am obsessed with the fridge magnet. So yes, today I'm going to customize my own fridge magnets. Hope you guys will like it, and if you do, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into the video. Before start to make my magnets, here I draw a rough sketch so I can get an idea what I really want to make. Okay, so moving on, here I prepared these primary colors and I will be mixed and match this color to create my all magnets today. The clay that I will be used to make my magnets, it's completely homemade, and the fun fact is that you can also gift this to your family and friends. Cornstarch and glue is the main ingredients of this clay. If you want to know how I make this clay, then let me know in the comment box. I will definitely make a separate video on this. Also, I brought a magnet sheet that costed me around 96 cents only. First, I am going to make the base. My first magnets will be a cone ice cream, so I mix brown and yellow and a little bit white color to make the ice cream cone. And for the frosting, here I use orange color because it's a mango flavor frosting, right? Which flavor ice cream you like the most? Let me know in the comment box. Just like this, I will be making all the bases of the magnets. There are some ice creams and pineapples, veggies, and of course our rainbow. Basically, the concept is, except the rainbow, all the other elements we can see in our kitchen easily. So yes, these all are related to our kitchen. Alright guys, here are my bases are ready, and of course all these are dried up well. Now I'm going to cut the magnet sheets according to the shapes and peel it the sticker and stick it with the base. Though it's a self-adhesive magnet sheet, so I don't need to use glue to stick it with the base. And here you go, the final outcome is so pretty. I just love them and I hope you like it too. And if you do, then do like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Till then, take care and bye.